Traders, Anthony here, looking at the US 100. So we've got the monthly open right here. We'll just mark it up as a monthly level, key level of support down here. These highs back here, you can see this distribution level. Okay, so that would be a point of interest on this time frame. So let's just go down the time frames. We'll have a look at this on the weekly and we'll go down to the lower time frame, and I'll give you my take on this. So we've got monthly open. It's had a bullish month, but we're seeing a bit of weakness come into this. Now we've got on the weekly, okay, I'm just going to grab this range here, support or accumulation zone 1W. So we'll just mark that up, head down to, yeah, and I mean this is important. This level here, you can see the high of this candle close open. All right, so we'll just mark that up, W. Key levels under here. I'm looking for an opportunity. But I'm always going to be marking up these higher time frames. So now on the daily time frame, we've got a bit of a mixed bag here. Got this lower high, higher lows. So we're trading into a bit of a corner here, coming into this wedge. Which way is it going to pop? That's the question. Now I don't want to get too overly kind of analytic about this. Simple thing for me is just to look for these levels here. So on the daily we've got this accumulation, and it's telling me that there's room to move down into this level, but in saying that, you know, we've got this weekly support as well over here. So how far this trades south is anybody's guess at the moment, really. I mean, we do have room for this to move. If you consider this from a Fibonacci perspective, trend-based fib, we'll just go from this candle low to high. Oh, I got the wrong thing. Hang on. Fib, where are you? I think it's back here. Fib retrace. Okay. Low to high. See how it's already traded into the 61.8786? So this is my buy zone, guys. But I'm just wondering, like, how much more room do we have to trade south? And the other fact is, you know, we've got this lower high as well. Higher low, you know. So yeah, it's a little bit of a precarious market at the moment. Let's have a look at it on 4H, see what the lower time frame gives us. Yeah, I mean, we've got this balance area down here. So we've got a combination of the daily, the 4 hour, mark that up. Let's grab the candle high down to the candle body, it'll do. But yeah, this, I mean, you know, you could consider this a point of control through here. So that would be a target for me for a buy opportunity. So on the 4H, we do have, if I'm going to trade this from a 4 hour perspective, all right, well, we do have, you know, higher highs, higher lows. And I think, if anything, I'm going to be bullish, and I'd be looking for an opportunity down in here, stop loss under this weekly, something like that. I think that would be my take. Now, we could consider a buy zone, and that would be through here. Be careful. I mean, that's trading down into this weekly. Let me just mark that up as a buy zone. Okay, so I've got this daily, weekly, and 4H, nested level here, big level. Buy zone, grab a fib. Okay, we'll go from this low to high, 61.8786. That's my area. So we've got this 4 hour bullish trend here. So on this time frame, that's what I'd be looking for. Stop loss under, 1-to-1 risk reward. Where's my risk reward tool? There it is. You know, if that's my buy zone, I'll just throw that in here. Grab that. I'll show you what I've done with this actually. This is a trend-based fib extension, but there you go. There's target 1, trend-based fib extension, and I would put target 1 in here. 1-to-1 risk reward, something like that. T1. Take most of my position off there. Go for broke with the that. And if this trends up, then we just follow it up until we get a break of structure. You can just trade it with your stop loss. So when, you know, when we take 70% at T1, we can pull our stop loss up, tighten up a little bit. That's going to be in the money at that point. You know, then it's a risk-free trade from then there on. Keep in mind though, excuse me, oh, a bit tired. We do have this lower high. All right, so there's no guarantees that this is going to continue on up. We could be in for a reversal. We don't know yet. So just be a little bit careful. I think what I would like to see, if this is going to reverse, would be something like, yeah, okay. Yeah, I would really like to see these highs taken out. I mean, we don't really have a typical setup yet for a reversal, right? You want to see a double top. This is what I'm looking for a reversal situation. We get a bit of a double top. Maybe that even trades a bit lower. And then it takes out the highs. All right, so that's the chart pattern I'm looking for. Okay, so we get a range, builds liquidity above and below. We get a bit of a fake out perhaps. We get this double top, and then it spikes up above and takes out liquidity, and then this generally is a lower high, lower low, lower high. You know, I think that is the kind of thing that I'm looking for, that kind of price action. And you know, I mean, what have we got? Well, we've got this spike up here. You know what? We've got a bit of a double top thing here, I guess, relative equal highs. Spikes up. What's really interesting to me though is this displacement here. And then we trade back up, rebalance. Careful guys, be careful. Be careful. We don't have a clear run at this at the moment. So, you know, it's a risk. So, I mean, what else can I say about this? I would look for a buy here and taking profits early. That's fairly safe. Strong support level under. Good. You know, with these higher time frame nested thing through here. That works. Then I'm in the money at this point, and the rest is a bonus. But you know, I mean, it could roll over. It could do anything. So just be really careful. And I think the key with this would be to watch it through the just see what it does today through. Let's just go down a time frame or two or more. Just watch this as we approach. Actually, I've got Forex sessions. You can download Forex session indicators. All right, so I'm looking at, okay, it's trading into the London Open here. See how it's trading down into the London Open? We actually could see this rotate. This is this blue line here, London Open. All right, so it's reaching into my buy zone. All right, so this line here, London Open. You know, if it trades down, we could see it rotate there. So that would be my thing. Okay, guys, I think that more or less wraps it up. This is the US 100. With that, click the links below, jump on board. We've got a Telegram group. It's free. You're welcome. And check out my website. Lots of goodies on there to consider. And yeah, have a great day. Safe trading. And we'll see you in the next one.